Finding the publication date of a web page for citation can be challenging, but there are several methods to help you discover it. First, check the article or blog post directly for a date below the title or in the author's bio. Some may also have an update disclaimer. You can also look for a copyright date at the bottom of the page, though this may indicate the last update rather than the original publication. Additionally, examine the URL for date clues, use timestamps on comments for estimation, or turn to the Wayback Machine to find archived versions of the page. If you opt to view the page source, using the find function with keywords like date or published can lead you to the publication date. Finally, ensure to format your citations correctly in MLA or APA style, including author, title, website, date, and URL.